The Su-30SME is an export version of the Su-30SM that is flown by the Russian Air Force. The Philippine military modernization under Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte is very complex and challenging. When President Duterte announced on Tuesday that he was considering acquiring defense equipment from Russia and China. Military defense analyst believes that the modernization under Duterte administration is going to be pretty exciting as compared with the previous administration, which relies only on refurbisher donations, with 3 to 4 decades old military equipment from its allies. For the benefit of the doubt, few of the military equipment were procured by the Aquino administration, brand new, just like the Korean-made F-A-50 fighter jet, but still an underdog with fewer capabilities in terms of technology and performance as compared to others. According to a military defense expert at the Moscow-based Center for Analysis of Strategies and Technologies, CAST, the Philippines should seriously be more focused when purchasing military equipment and weaponry, specifically in acquiring a multi-role fighter aircraft that can perform multiple role missions simultaneously. The Philippines should not just rely only on Western military fighter aircraft which is so expensive, such as F-16V and JAS-39 Gripen, worth approximately $60 million each. The F-15SE at $100 million per unit, but should also look to other sources and suppliers, defense experts said. The Russian fighter jets such as the MiG-29 Fulcrum, the Sukhoi Su-30SM, and the latest Sukhoi Su-35's Flanker E-fighter jet are the best option. It's not just only cheap, but it also combat-proven, a defense expert said. MiG-29 SMT designed and produced by Russian Aircraft Corporation MiG, which is a part of JSC United Aircraft Corporation. It is equipped with high-precision air-to-air and air-to-surface weapons to deliver high combat efficiency against aerial, ground, and sea-based targets. It incorporates enhanced cockpit and avionics, additional fuel tanks, upgraded engine, and increased weapons carriage capacity. The reinforced structure of the MiG-29 SMT Fulcrum multi-role fighter aircraft results in increased flight endurance and a longer range. The aircraft has 2 fixed rearward swept wings with square-cut wing tips. 2 vertical stabilizers are fitted at the rear. A retractable landing gear allows the aircraft to perform safe takeoff and landing. Meanwhile, the nose landing gear consists of a single 2-wheel bogie and the 2 main landing gears featuring a single wheel each.